Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome back! Your marketing plan was a brilliant success, and you attracted a new customer. But getting a customer once is only the beginning. The real challenge is making them so happy that they come back again and again. This is a lesson on one of the most valuable assets any business can have. It's reputation. Let's see what happens the very next day. Hello again. Your carrots were so good and I'm back for more.
It's great to see you again. He came back.
We didn't need a new ad to get that sale.
He came back because he was happy the first time.
That is customer loyalty. It is the foundation of a long-lasting business. But the power of a good reputation goes even further. Happy customers tell their friends.
Hello. My friend told me you have the best carrots. That was the easiest sale ever.
Our first customer did the marketing for us. Exactly. That is word-of-mouth marketing. It is the most powerful kind because people trust their friends more than any advertisement. Your brand and advertisements get the first sale, but a great product and a strong reputation create loyal fans who do the marketing for you. Your reputation is excellent. So, how can we reward those loyal customers and attract even more with a special event? That is a lesson on special offers for next time on Pixelvestors. A great reputation is earned, not bought. It is the most valuable asset your business will ever have. Welcome back, Pixelvestors. Your reputation is strong and your business is growing steadily. But how can we create a big event to accelerate that growth? It's time to introduce you to another powerful marketing tool, the special offer. A sale is a great way to reward your loyal customers and attract new ones by giving them a great deal for a limited time. A giant sale! Everyone is going to love it! They will. But remember the lesson on profit. You must be careful that your sale price still makes good business sense.
The profit on each sale is smaller, but the goal is to sell a much higher volume.
And remember, a sale is most effective when it's for a limited time only. This creates a sense of urgency. That's. A magnificent revenue. But revenue is not profit. To find your true profit, we must subtract your costs. Wow! Even though we charged less, we made way more money! A sale increases your sales volume. By selling more items, you can make a bigger total profit. A powerful tool when used wisely. Your sale was a success because you understood what your customers wanted. A great deal. But do all customers want the same thing? That's a lesson on understanding your customer for next time on Pixelvestors.